Hey, what is up, guys? In today's video is going to be our monthly nature walk. So I just started this. Sorry, the camera is wobbly. I just started doing this, the nature walk. I'm going to be doing this. Every single month. Hope you guys will enjoy this nature walk. I do live in the country, so we're going to be going down to my river, and we're going to see a lot of beaver dams, maybe geese nests, some geese. I know yesterday I saw some geese. And we'll just see lakes and ponds and grass. And I'm going to be collecting dandelions and grass for the guinea pigs as a snack. So, did you guys hear that? Obviously they're too busy munching hay. So yeah, let's get into the video. So, here we are on my bike, and once we get there, I am going to cut right now and fast forward to the grass where I'm going to be showing you guys. So, okay, guys, and we're here, and now here we are at the beginning. That's one of the cows. We live right by the So, let's start the walk. We have some trees over there. We have a shed over there with a car and things like that. Our storage is in there where we keep all of our stuff, and if we want to go get it, we're there. I'll do this like once a week. I'll be riding my bike every day though, just because I like to. And yeah, so over there is the river. We're gonna approach the river now. Whew, this video is going to be long. Oh my gosh, guys, it's so hot. But yeah, I do not know if we're going to be seeing beavers, because there's a giant dam over there. There is a very big dam actually, and a family of beavers lives in there. I know there are beavers. Yeah, you guys will see. And by the way, we own all of this over here and over here. Well, my grandpa does, but he gave me an acre of land. He gave us an acre of land. And this is someone else's property. We do not own cows, so yeah. I really like living here just because we get to take nature walks and stuff. I'll not be showing you guys in there because the cows, obviously, if I get too close to the babies, they could trample me or something. And I sometimes go there when the cows are more to the mountains over there. But yeah, here we are, and the river is right there. Yeah, we're getting to it. So, here's the river. This is the beginning to the river. It goes all the way over there, and we have a board to cross, and we are just going to follow it. Feels so weird to be walking and not showing you guys while I cut. So through here, in there, should be geese nests. Okay, so you guys, I think that is a goose. I don't know. No, it's a bird. I think, yeah, there are supposed to be geese nests here. But, yeah, there's somewhere in there. Let's see if I can get a better angle for you guys. Okay, and I do not know if I should go there, because if you guys don't know, geese are very mean. And if I get too close, they could attack, so yeah, that's why I should be very careful. And the river continues along here. And yeah, this is basically just the nature walk. And over there, there's a big lake. We're cutting into the big lake soon. Some puddles there. We do have a little gator, little four-wheeler kind of thing that we drive through here. My grandpa owns it. Here's a river, another. There is a pond, a small pond right here. Yesterday we saw some geese, and yeah, the guinea pigs love these, absolutely love these. And they're also a safe guinea pig snack. I do recommend picking some if you guys have dandelions growing outside your backyard or something. And yeah, there are some dandelions. I'll collect a little bit more throughout the way. And yeah, I dropped one. So more. But there's a giant lake over there. It's over there, and there's a beaver dam. I'll go show you guys the beaver dam. So yeah. And also, this is going to be the longest video I've ever recorded. Just keep that in mind. So this might be like 20 minutes long-ish. I'll try to cut it back a little bit. But yeah. So here we are. The Great Giant Lake. It is a little lake here. There's a beaver down over there. But yeah, here is the lake. Oh wait, you guys look. This camera, but there's a bird over there. Yeah, let's go to the other side so that way you guys can see the beaver dam more closely, because it is over there at the other side of the lake. So let's go. It's more of a pond, if you ask me, but I just call it a lake because, you know. And I do live in New Mexico, in case you guys have not known that. I'm not going to tell you the city for safety purposes, but yeah, I do live in the country in New Mexico, so yeah. Let's see. And I'm being careful not to step on any cow poop, because cows do roam through here. And there's the beaver dam. Let's see, can I get a closer look? Yeah, right there. So that is a beaver dam. Some beavers live in there. If you wait long enough, they'll come out and swim. But yeah, it's just very, very pretty, and I do like that there's a beaver dam. More further on the way, we should start seeing a bigger one, a very, very big one. So yeah, let's just continue. Beavers do live here. Continuing down this way. Oh wait, you guys. I think there's a frog. You guys, I think there are some birds. If you guys can hear the chirping, There was a bird in there, but I don't think it's there no more. So yeah, let's continue. And here is a very green spot. I've been meaning to take the guinea pigs over here just to set up a playpen and have them roam around. But here is the giant beaver dam. It's very big, you guys. You don't even know. They created. Alright, you guys, I'm a little scared to enter here. There's a blackbird. Okay, you guys, let's be very quiet and see if we can pick up any beavers. There is a huge family here. Okay. So here is the dam. It is quite large. There's a goose. See? Okay, they are very mean, so I do not want to get too close. But yeah, this is what you could sometimes see when you're out in nature. Giant beaver dams and geese. So yeah, very, very cool stuff, you guys. I'm zoomed in. That is a Canadian goose, I think. Yeah. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys the biggest dam here. It is very large. I can't believe beavers could haul this much stuff. And if you guys could hear it, it is quacking, like it is talking. So yeah, if you get too close, they will attack. But I think I'm a safe distance away. But yeah, it's swimming. Okay, let's continue down. We're gonna leave that thing alone, and we're going to continue down the road of wonders. So yeah, and leave a like if you guys want to see more of these videos. I will be doing more, obviously. I love showing you guys nature and stuff, animals and stuff. There's another one, you guys. Look. Okay. There are so many. One is flying. Okay, you guys, this is so crazy. Holy moly. Okay, let's continue down the path. And yeah, we're almost gonna hit a halt. There's another lake over there by my aunt's house. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys more. I love the chirping of birds. A bird just flew past, another one. And yeah. So here is just a little lake, a little pond. I think I'm gonna end the video here. There's a little bird up there. There's some birds up there. Yeah, this is what we hear every morning when we wake up. So you guys saw some goose, and yeah. So that is all that I had for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all next time.